Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to remove text from video without blur using CAPCUT. First, click the new project and click the video that you want to remove text. Then tap Add. After you choose a video that you want, take a screenshot on it. Then, crop the area that you don't need. After that, go to your App Store and download the app called Snap Edit. Once it's done, open it. Tap the Remover menu. Then select the screenshot that you taken. Using the brush tool, mark all the text that you want to remove. Once you're done, click Remove. Repeat it if the result is not good. If it's okay and all the text has been removed without leaving a trace, save it. Return to CAPCUT app and add the edit screenshot image. Move the clip to the overlay track, then align and lengthen it with the main video. Once it's done, open the mask menu. Then, select the circle option. Drag it to the text that you want to remove and also adjust the size until the text is covered.